for today, I would like to share with you yung lagi kong niluluto, which is a special request. I don't know bakit yung special request, pero pag may occasion like this, special request siya. So, let's start. I'm going to cook, originally it's seafood pesto, pero nagkaroon na siya ng twist. So, it's going to be seafood pasta or seafood pesto with a twist. Ano yung twist? So, normally, eto siya. So, ano yung mga ingredients ko? Guys, this is my own version of pasta. So, we have here, dahil seafood siya, we have shrimp, yung maliliit na. We bought it sa supermarket na ganyan. Then we have the squid. So, ready na rin siya, na nakaganito na siya, frozen actually. And then we have tuna, 2 cans of century tuna. And we have mushroom. And then, of course, I use olive oil. Kasi originally it's pesto na. Olive oil and tarragon and rosemary leaves. Okay. So, and then of course our butter, onion and garlic. And I don't usually use yung spaghetti style noodles. So what I usually do is, I use it rather is yung twirl na parang pang macaroni salad. Kasi bakit? Ang hirap kasi pagkakain sa putol-putulin pa. So at least maliliit na. Ano yung twist? So, dahil special request siya, so nilalagyan ko siya ng Nestle cream. So, yun ang twist niya. Guys, disclaimer lang, this video is not in any way paid sponsorship by Nestle, okay? So, Nestle lang talaga ginagamit ko. Yan ang fire is, ano lang siya, medium. Hindi siya yung masyadong matakas. Masasandang. So, painitin lang yan ng konti. And then, of course, I'll start. I'm gonna use butter kasi isutay ko lang. So actually, habang natutunan si butter, I'm gonna put garlic. Okay. And so, ipo-brown ko lang ng garlic. Guys, I'm not a chef. Mahilig lang ako magluto minsan. Pag-trick ko. This is my own version of seafood pesto with a twist with Nestle cream. Okay. Then I'll put the onion. The tuna. Kasi medyo matagal kong lutuin. So guys, yung sa tuna, hindi ko sinama yung kasi sa can, meron kasama yan na oil niya, diba? So, hindi siya sinama, drainin ko siya. I'll just leave it for like a minute. 1 to 2 minutes, guys. I'm going to put the squid. I will leave it again for like 1 to 2 minutes, guys. What we'll do next is to put the mushroom. So as you can notice, kusa siyang nag-water because of the butter that we put a while ago. And at the same time, yung squid kasi, meron siyang natural water na pinuproduce. So then we'll put the mushroom muna. Okay. Ihalo lang natin. So I'll cover it again for another 2 minutes para naman maluto yung mushroom. So next naman is yung shrimp. Ilalagay natin. So medyo madami itong shrimp na to. Binawi sa shrimp. Supposedly, meron dapat din siyang kasamang crablets. Tsaka tawag nito, parang tahong. Maliliit. Pero dahil late na sa market, wala na available. So, shrimp na lang namin pinamili. Okay, so, ang shrimp madaling maluto. So, ihalo lang natin siya. Iwan lang natin siya ng 1 minute naman. Para magkaroon naman ng lasa. So, we'll put magic syrup. So, tinatansya ko lang siya usually. So others also put yung pepper or paminta. Pero kami kasi ayaw namin ng maanghang. So, hindi na kami naglalagay. Okay, then haluin ko lang siya. Okay. So, eto na nga, lastly, is the twist. So, yung twist na sinasabi ko is ito. Nilalagyan namin ng Nestle cream. So, usually 3 packs lang nilalagay for 500 gram na pasta noodle. So, siya. So, again guys, disclaimer lang, hindi ito paid ads ni Nestle yan. Ito lang talaga yung brand na ginagamit ko. I will leave it for 5 minutes hanggang sa kuluan. Okay, so after 5 minutes, yan, kumukulo na siya, pwede na natin siyang ilipat sa lalagyan kasi ang next na gagawin naman natin is yung pasta noodle naman. Okay, that's our next na gagawin. So, ilipat natin siya dito and then we'll start cooking naman yung pasta. Ito naman ang next gagawin is yung pasta noodle. I-ano lang natin sa olive oil and dito sa rosemary and tarragon leaves. Okay. So what I'll do first is I'll put the olive oil. I'll put the pasta on the olive oil. Lang siya hanggang sa makover siya ng olive oil. Just continue lang yung paghahalo hanggang makover lang yung pasta, yung noodles ng olive oil. Ilagay. Okay. Now, kung sa tingin nyo guys, konti pa yung, hindi pa nako-cover lahat yung noodles ng olive oil, you can put more if you want. It depends on you guys. But again, you can put more if you want. Okay, then next, I'll put tarragon leaves and rosemary leaves. Okay. Actually, it's up to you also kung ano gusto nyo gamitin. Pwedeng basil, okay. Siya masyado pinapatagal sa fire para hindi madurog yung mga pasta. Here's the finished product. So, I just put yung niluto na sauce dun sa ibabaw ng pasta. And then, nilagyan lang ng Parmesan cheese. And now it's ready to serve. Okay guys, thank you for watching. I hope I was able to share with you my recipe, my own version of seafood pesto with a twist, which is the Nestle cream. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and comment down below your suggestion, your feedback, and ideas. Okay, see you in my next vlog. Bye!